Good morning guys, it is Monday. I thought I'd vlog today because I've got two kids home sick from school and daycare, and I just thought, I'm just feeling so unmotivated, I thought I would do a vlog. If you're new to my channel, my name's Mel. I do a lot of cleaning, organizing and decluttering videos. So I guess you could call me a minimalist, but I live with a family of non-minimalists, so I basically try and do the best I can in my home. And if you're interested in those types of videos, I have lots of decluttering, motivational videos and advice on my channel, so I'd love to have you click that red subscribe button below and join me on this journey. Okay, so I'm boiling the jug for a cup of tea, which I badly need, and I'm gonna make some porridge for the kids, so come along for the ride. It is raining today, so kids can't go outside, but they're having a pajama day anyway because they're not well, so pajamas and TV today. So I can't make my bed. I'm not going to bother making my bed because this is the state of things at the moment. My daughter's in here watching Mr. Make on TV, and my son is in the lounge watching TV because they keep arguing over what they're going to watch, so it's just easier to keep the peace and keep them separate for now. So, motivation tip, this is something I don't usually do because I'm lazy and I can't be bothered doing it. I've put some makeup on to try and help myself feel more together and more awake and more productive. And I've seen this tip on YouTube channels before where other mum vloggers have said that putting on makeup in the morning just helps them feel put together and ready to tackle the day. So I've put some light makeup on, I put a little bit of eyeshadow on. This is the first eyeshadow I've worn in quite a few months. I've actually had this eye here, my right eye, has been reacting to makeup, and I've been trying to figure out what it is, and it's possibly my eye makeup. But I've bought a new eyeshadow, so hopefully, it's like a Revlon one, hopefully that one will be okay. But I think mascara often causes me to break out. It's like sort of eczema on my eyelid, and it's just this eye. It's really weird, and it's annoying because I can't wear a lot of eye makeup. If you know a good brand that's good for sensitive eyes, like for people who are sensitive and have allergies to eye makeup, let me know in the comments below please, because I would love to find something and be able to wear a bit more eye makeup. I'm going to tackle the dishes. The bathrooms need cleaning, but because the two kids are home today, I also want to spend some time with them, and because I've done my makeup, I think I might actually film a sit down video later when my daughter is having her nap. Hopefully she naps. So we'll see how it goes, but let's tackle the mess in the kitchen because my husband cooked last night and I was just too tired and clogged up with my allergies to clean. I've got dust mite allergies. That's the other thing I was going to tell you guys. I've just started a course of desensitization. They call it immunology treatment, I think. And what it is once a month for 3 years, I go to the GP and get the allergen injected into my arm, and it's supposed to build up your tolerance to the allergy over time. So mine's dust mite allergies, and I think they've put pollen in there too because I'm slightly allergic to pollen, but mostly dust mites. Anyway, here's a bit of a life update for you. I'm going to get cleaning, otherwise this is never going to get done. you, good girl. He's my little helper. And you're 90 today. Who's on your 90?
Peppa Pig.
Yeah, Peppa Pig. So, dishes are done. We put the towels in the dryer. We put some clothes to wash. What else? We gave Ernie some more bickies and water and put his old bowls, his dirty bowls in the dishwasher. And now we're going to change Ernie's toilet. We're going to change his kitty litter. All done. I use the recycled wood pellets so you don't have to change the whole thing each time. It's one of those sieve litter trays. And then he's also got clean water and fresh food and clean food bowls as well. There's baby burrito on my bed. Did you wrap yourself up? Is that yummy? Honey and butter on toast. Bud wants this for lunch, so not the healthiest, but that's what he said he wants. And then I made myself some Vegemite on toast, and then I totally forgot we had leftover chicken and potatoes in the fridge. So I'm going to put a bit of this potato salad dressing with that because there's only a bit left. I'm going to use that up. I was really busy on the weekend decluttering, and I did toys mainly, toys and books. I didn't film it for you, but I posted some pictures on my Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, just go and follow me. It's at simplymel01. Here are some toys and things. Some of these things are things that I've tried selling, and they just haven't sold for whatever reason. So it's time to just get rid of them. Clothes hangers I'm giving away. Oh, that needs to go in the rubbish. That's broken. This I'm going to donate because this hasn't sold. And that's some clothes for the clothing bin. Now I've just got to do a couple of admin things, so I just need to take a photo of this book and post it to Twitter because I was tagged in the 7-day Books You Love challenge. So what it is, you just for 7 days, each day you post the cover of a book that you love, and then you tag someone else to do the 7-day book tag as well. Yeah, if you're not following me over on Twitter, that's basically the same handle as my Instagram. It's simplymel01. Yeah, that's my post there. Tweet. I've just finished filming a video. Is the brand new mum tag, I think it's called. You can see I've gotten changed to something a little bit nicer to do a sit down video. And I ran out of battery partway through, so luckily I've got a spare camera battery, so I changed batteries. And now I want to go spend some time with my son. I promised him we'd do something together, maybe watch a movie or something. My daughter's still sleeping. The rest of the day I'll hang out with Bud, and then I'll cook dinner afterwards and do the usual evening routine things. I'll have to film the evening routine for you guys sometime. And also let me know if there's any other videos you would like to see. I am planning some more decluttering videos and showing you some more of my home in terms of how I've minimized some of my belongings and how I organize some of my belongings. But if there's particular videos or things that you want me to talk about or to show you, then please let me know in the comments below and I'll try to make those videos for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye! Look at my cool tripod. I've got one of my kitchen chairs with a few books and a jumbo jar of Vegemite. If you're new to my channel, my name's Mel. I post videos on YouTube, obviously. If you're new to my channel,